Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to edit sent message in WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp, and you want to go to the message that you want to edit, and then you want to simply long press it like this, then tap three-dot button and tap option edit. Now let's make changes to my message, and when you're done you want to save this by tapping this arrow which is green right here, and after this message will display edited tag right here, but do not forget that WhatsApp allows you to edit text messages only within 15 minutes of sending this message, and if you need to correct a mistake after this time, the only option will be to delete message for everyone and then send new one. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.